Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everybody, please open your cameras.
I'm opening.
Okay. Children, what was the last thing that we did? Yes. What was the last thing?
Ma'am, I think we have done the second chapter.
We have completed the second chapter. Beta, we have even started the third chapter.
Ma'am, I couldn't attend the last class of French.
Okay. Wait, let me just see. Let me just find out. Zainab? Beta?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, now tell me, children, what in your copies, please check how many exercises of the second chapter you have done. We have completed how many exercises? Exercise number 10 on page number 23. Everyone has done this exercise. Please check in your copies or your books.
Page number 23.
Yes, beta, page number 23.
It is from first chapter.
Yes, Avnish?
Ma'am, it's our first chapter.
Oh, it is of first chapter. Yes, sorry, I got confused. Of the second chapter, have we completed it? Of second chapter, where have we done till?
Ma'am, we have done till 9.
Now we have completed the second chapter.
Yes, ma'am, we have completed.
We have completed the second chapter. Okay, what I'm going to do is now, do you have your workbooks with you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have got your workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
No, what about others?
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'll find it.
Take out your workbook. We are going to do exercises from that book now. Those who have the book, please take out. Page number. Take out page number 9 and 10. First, we are going to take out page number 9. Let me see if I have it. I'll share it with you.
Page number 9, we have done these first and second question and even the third question also.
Third question also we have done. Wonderful. Now coming on to the fourth question. Fourth question is left to be done, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, fourth question is also done.
Fourth question is also done. What about the fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fifth one. Fifth you have to do. Yes, Zainab.
Ma'am, can we discuss all the things from the starting so that no one would be left?
From which exercise beta you want to discuss?
Ma'am, from the third one.
From the third one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In the third one, the different parts that are given. You want to discuss that exercise? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the eyebrows called? What are the eyebrows
Ma'am,
called? Who will tell?
Ma'am, lay you.
Yes. No, eyebrows. Laser is eyes. What are eyebrows called? Les you see. Les you see. Yes. Just see from your book, take out that page and see it from there and then fill it. Dhruv, Avnish, Fazil, Pranjali, everybody open your camera. Uzair, all
Ma'am,
of you.
please send the exercise photo in group.
Beta, please send Zainab. If you have not done it, please send it because I have already done everything in my book. Just send page number 10 and 11
Okay, ma'am.
so that I can share the screen. Let me see if I have it.
Ma'am, of the workbook.
Yes, beta, of the workbook. Are you sending it?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, got it.
Got it. Okay.
Please say 10 or 8 to group also.
What?
Please send on 8 to group also.
8th A, 8th B. Okay, I'll send it, beta. Zainab has sent in 8th B.
Yes, ma'am.
I have sent till the 7th question.
You have sent till the 7th question. Okay, I have also sent till the 7th question. I had till 7th question with me. Got it, 8th A students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now just let me share the screen as well. Yes. Now please see in the main book, there's a page given wherein all the parts of the face are given. So what you will do is you will see from there all the facial parts and write in these blanks. Is that fine?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do it 2 minutes for this exercise. That's not come only. What is it? Now see children, I have shared the screen.
Ma'am, done.
Very nice. Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So what is the first part?
Ma'am,
Those are
last
I.
fossils.
Those are
They sources.
place you see. Then the second one. Below,
They
yes, below these eyebrows, what part have they shown?
Ma'am, last fields.
Very good. Laces. Then next. Both eyes together. What are they called?
Ma'am, lay oil.
Ma'am, layer yolks.
No,
Ma'am,
lays
lay
there.
oil.
But no, beta. Single eye is called oil. Both eyes together are called YEUX. Okay.
what are they called?
Both eyes together are called laser. And we pronounce it as laser and they are written as YEUX. Then, what are lips called?
Les livres.
Les lèvres. Very nice. Les lèvres. Then what is the next part? What are teeth called?
Les
Lay
dents.
dents.
Ma'am, lay down.
Les dents. Very good. Then what is tongue called?
La bouche.
La.
La-
No. Only the tongue. What is the tongue called?
La bouche.
Bouche is the entire mouth area, which includes lips, teeth.
Ma'am, langue.
Very nice. La long. Tongue is called la long. LANGUE. Done, everyone? And the entire mouth area,
Yes, ma'am.
where they have written la. What we are going to write? We are going to write
La
la
bouche.
bouche.
La bouche.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good. Now come on to the next part. Now this one is very interesting. Hurry up and read these sentences and do it.
I'm done.
Ma'am, done.
Done? All of you?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Okay. What is the first sentence? J'ai de tête. Now, what is the answer? Re ou faux?
I'm full.
M4.
Yes. So, what is the correct sentence? Now, make it correct also.
Ma'am, J une tête.
Very nice. Ye une tête. I have one head. Okay, the second one. Je parle avec la bouche.
I'm Ray.
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 Yes, Ray. Let's make it Ray only. We speak with our mouth. Then, next. Nous écoutons avec les oreilles. Correct?
Ray.
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 Very good.
Ray.
Then the next one. Elle a une dent.
I'm full.
Four.
Four.
Four. Then fifth one. Il regarde avec les doigts. Yes. What is regard? She looks with her. What is doigt? She looks with her fingers. She looks with her fingers. The sentence is correct.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Full.
Four. It is also four. Then, okay, what will come in place of doigt?
Ma'am, use.
Yes.
Ma'am, lay use.
Yes, very nice. Il regarde avec les yeux. Then, the last one, elle a une joue. What is joue?
I'm full.
Joue is which part? One cheek. What is joue? It's a cheek, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
four. Okay, now coming on to the next page. Everybody start doing the next page. This one you have to do by yourself. I'm giving you 5 minutes for it.
Ma'am, please pull up. done.
Done, beta, everyone? Okay, in this, what you have done, you have conjugated all these sentences using ER ending verbs, right? Is this how you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what you will do is everybody start posting the answers in the chat box. Put numbers, put correct numbering, and then start to post the answers in the chat box so that I can see what you have written. Yes, what is the answer of the first one? Je dash les films français. How very nice, Dhruv. No, Dhruv, wrong, beta. Spellings are wrong. What will be the spelling? ER gets removed, and what comes in place of je? Je takes E in the end. Very good. Avnish, your answer is correct. Je regarde. Then what will come with Q? Next answer. Just remove double L. Rest is correct. Very good. Zainab, where is your answer? Pranjali, and what about other students? No one is answering except for these 2-3 students. Very good. Then the third one, Pauline Aimé Les Fleurs.
Ma'am, I don't know this one.
Why you don't know this one? Pauline will be replaced by which subject pronoun first of all? Pauline is a boy or a girl?
I'm girl.
Okay, let's take it as a girl. Then singular or plural? How many girls are we talking about?
One.
Just
Singular.
one. So that means with subject pronoun. Every time I talk about Pauline, Pauline is a girl. Pauline lives in Canada. Pauline is 10 years old. What will Pauline be replaced with? Every time Pauline, Pauline. It will be replaced by she, isn't it?
E.
She.
Yes, ma'am.
Then she is what in French? L. What is she in French? E-double-L-E, isn't it?
E-double-L-E.
Then E-double-L-E. Now what is the pattern of ER ending verbs? E-E-S, again comes E. So Emir will have what in the end? L-M. That is Pauline M. Les Fleurs. Any confusion? That means you have a confusion. There is a solid confusion in your mind, right? It's not
No,
clear.
ma'am, no confusion.
No confusion. It's clear now, beta.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you get confused, please see on page number 18. ER verbs are again revised on page number 18 in the main book. Just go through them. Then the next sentence, Nu dash on Arabi Saudi. Nu and abiter verb. So what it is going to become? Nous habitons. Very nice. Avnish has sent the answer. Who else has sent? Anyone else? Yes, one more. Uzair, Muhammad Uzair has sent the answer. Zainab, you are putting the verb in its infinitive form, beta. We don't use like this in sentences. Do we use verbs in their infinitive forms?
No,
I
ma'am.
have sent you all the answers of first.
Then next one, it is going to be nous habitons. O-N-S, not O-N-Z. Dhruv, O-N-Z becomes wrong, beta. It's O-N-S. The next one, vous dash la radio. Vous écoutez, E-Z in the end. Vous écoutez la radio. Very nice, Avnish. Then Paul et Jacques. Now here we are talking about two people. Earlier we were talking about just Pauline. So we replaced it by il or L, depending on whatever the gender is. Now here we are talking about two boys. Paul and Jacques, right? So it is going to be replaced with which subject pronoun? ILS, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Il étudie, and it will get ENT in the end. Étudie, how are you going to spell, Dhruv? Beta, you need to work on your spellings, bache. Étudiant. It is going to be E-T-U-D-I-E-N-T. Now, Zainab, what you have written is étudiant. It's a student. We are talking about a verb, beta. You have also spelled it wrongly. Yes, Avnish spellings are correct.
Ma'am, mine.
Avnish, your spelling is correct. Uzair, what did you write, beta? Your miss. No, Uzair, yours is also wrong. What have you written? Resend, I can't see yours. It has gone up. Étudiant. Correct. Correct, Uzair. Then the next one, ILS. Il préfère le gâteau au chocolat. What will be the spelling of préférer here? Preferred. Very nice. Avnish, all correct. Very good. Very good. Then the eighth one, les enfants, the children, they dash with a balloon. They are playing with a balloon. So how are we going to do, jouer, the last one? Very good. Very nice. Only Avnish has answered. What about others' answers?
Ma'am, I have also answered.
Yes, Zainab has also done. Now, Dhruv, once again, beta, why have you added I on your own here? Why have you added I? See, don't get confused. Let me just stop this screen share. And please look up here on the board. What we are supposed to do, see, when the verb is, suppose, let's say, the verb is habiter. What we are supposed to do, we are just supposed to remove ER and place the pattern to the radical. This is the radical. And what the pattern is? E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, and ENT. We are just supposed to add these endings to the radical. Don't add I or E according to your choice. You can't do that, beta. It goes wrong. Now here, till T, we are going to copy the word as it is. So the spellings would come Abit, E is automatically placed here. Again, Abid, ES is automatically placed. Now, in the next verb where you're getting confused, the verb is etudier. Etudier. So what we are going to do? We are going to remove ER only. When we remove ER, how are the endings placed to it? It becomes etudi. E is added. Then again, ES will be added to etudi. Right? Till I, the word will always be this only. Is that clear, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, in the verb jouer again, first just try to break the word and then conjugate it. In that case, you're not going to make spelling mistake. Now, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to add the ending to JOU. In this case, the ending will come this JOUENT. That's all. Where has this I come from? I is nowhere in the picture. Do you get that, Dhruv, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, what is the next thing? Okay, all done till exercise number 5. Everything done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
exercise 6 is very easy. What is exercise 6? You have to put definite article. Now, what are definite articles? La, la, le. And in case of any vowel, we put L apostrophe. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And L apostrophe comes only when the noun is singular. If suppose the noun is plural, what we are going to put? We are going to put LES. Okay?
Ma'am.
L apostrophe comes only when the noun is singular and is starting with a vowel. Once again, to revise. Now start doing.
Ma'am, we have to send the answer in chat box.
No, beta, I'm just going to write them on the board. Done this 6th exercise? Done it?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. How much time is left? 2 minutes. 3 minutes are left in ours. Done it now?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Ma'am, we can start discussing.
Okay, the first one. What is the first one here?
La.
Oil. So what is going to come with oil? Which form of definite article?
Ma'am, la.
What are you saying? La.
L.
Okay, I want more answers to come.
Ma'am, la.
La. L-E.
No, ma'am,
Ma'am,
L.
L.
Ma'am, only L.
Only L and apostrophe. Correct. This is the
Yes,
correct
ma'am.
answer. Then the second one, shavo. What is shavo? Shavo, no one knows. Shavo is hair and it is written in its plural form. So what comes before plural? Nouns? L-E-S.
Ma'am,
Yes.
LES.
Yes. Then the third one, apple. Now apple is also given in plural.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will come?
LES.
Ma'am,
Les épaules.
LES.
What are épaules? What is les épaules?
Ma'am,
Shoulder.
shoulder.
Very good. Fourth one, ma. What is a ma? Tell. Hand. Now hand takes what? La or la? Hurry up and tell.
Ma'am, la.
La.
Ma'am,